Did you know that 98% of seniors are losing muscle mass without realizing it? That's right. And the worst part is that most people don't even realize it until the loss of leg strength starts to impact their daily lives. When muscle loss occurs, the consequences can be drastic: difficulty walking, falls, loss of independence, and a severely compromised quality of life. But the good news is that this scenario can be avoided. In today's video, we'll show you 5 essential foods that can prevent muscle mass loss, helping you stay active and healthy for much longer. In addition, we'll talk about what you can do now to preserve your muscle health and ensure a fuller, more independent life. Let's go! If you think you're doing everything right, but feel like your legs are weaker or that you no longer have the same energy as before, this video will help you reverse that. As we age, the body goes through several natural processes that affect muscle structure. One of the most common conditions is sarcopenia, which is the loss of muscle mass, especially in the legs, and which can begin to occur after the age of 30, but worsens over time, especially if there is no adequate stimulation, such as a healthy diet or exercise. When you lose muscle in your legs, your strength decreases, and simple everyday activities, such as climbing stairs, walking long distances, and even getting up from a chair, become more difficult. This happens because muscles, in addition to playing a fundamental role in movement, are also important for maintaining balance and posture. This process of muscle loss is linked to several factors, including decreased physical activity, reduced protein intake, and hormonal changes. Testosterone, for example, plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, and with age its production decreases, which makes it even more difficult to preserve muscle. It is also important to understand that many older people do not feel the loss of strength immediately. It is a gradual process, and often the initial signs go unnoticed, which makes the problem even more serious when it is finally identified. When it comes to preserving muscle mass, diet is one of the most important factors, and many older adults neglect this aspect. Protein is the essential nutrient for building and maintaining muscle. However, as we age, the body's ability to absorb protein and other nutrients decreases, which can accelerate the process of muscle loss. Studies indicate that daily protein intake needs to increase as we age, especially for those who are physically active or trying to maintain their muscle health. The recommended amount of protein ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for older adults, which is much higher than the amount recommended for younger adults. But it's not just the quantity of protein that matters. The quality also makes a difference. Some sources of protein are more effective than others in building and repairing muscle. In addition, adequate consumption of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and potassium also play a crucial role in bone and muscle health. Lean meat is one of the most important sources of high-quality protein. This is essential because muscles need protein to rebuild and stay strong. For older people, especially those who are more susceptible to sarcopenia, loss of muscle mass, adequate protein intake becomes even more crucial. The protein in lean meat helps stimulate protein synthesis in the muscles, which speeds up muscle recovery and prevents loss of strength. Lean meat is also rich in vitamin B12, an essential nutrient for the nervous system and the production of red blood cells, preventing anemia, which can worsen muscle weakness. Chicken and fish, such as salmon and trout, are especially beneficial because, in addition to high-quality protein, they contain omega-3, which has anti-inflammatory properties and aids in muscle recovery. Salmon, for example, is a fish rich in essential fatty acids that not only combat inflammation, but also help improve joint function, which is essential as we age. Including lean meats in your diet at least 3 to 4 times a week can go a long way toward keeping your legs looking strong and toned. Plus, if you're trying to increase your protein intake, it's a good idea to combine your meat with vegetables and other nutrient-rich foods for a balanced meal. Eggs are an excellent source of complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. Egg protein is highly absorbable and efficient, making it one of the best food options for building strong legs and preventing muscle loss. In addition to protein, eggs contain choline, which is essential for brain health and also plays an important role in muscle function and nerve signal transmission, which is essential for muscle contraction. Vitamin D, which is found in egg yolks, is also crucial for bone and muscle health, as it aids in the absorption of calcium and helps maintain bone density. As we age, our body's absorption of vitamin D decreases, making it harder to maintain healthy bones and muscles. Eating eggs regularly can help fill this gap and improve muscle and bone health. Eggs are extremely versatile in cooking. You can eat them boiled, scrambled, fried, or even in omelets with vegetables. An important tip is to prepare them with little oil or butter to keep the meal healthier and free of unnecessary fats. Dairy products are essential for bone and muscle health, especially for older adults. They are rich sources of calcium, a mineral essential for bone health, and high-quality protein, which helps with muscle recovery and maintenance. Milk and yogurt not only provide calcium, but are also rich in vitamin D, which, as mentioned, is crucial for keeping bones strong and muscles functioning properly. In addition, the calcium in dairy products helps prevent osteoporosis, a condition that affects many older adults and is directly linked to bone loss, which can negatively affect muscle health. When bones become weaker, muscles have to work harder to compensate, which can increase the risk of injury and loss of strength. Yogurt is also an excellent source of probiotics, which are the good bacteria in your gut. Gut health has a direct impact on nutrient absorption and therefore muscle function. Maintaining a healthy gut flora facilitates the absorption of protein and other nutrients essential for muscle recovery. If you are lactose intolerant, there are several alternatives on the market, such as almond or soy milk, enriched with calcium and vitamin D. Remember that, if possible, opt for versions without added sugar to ensure a healthier diet. Nuts are an excellent source of healthy fats and plant-based proteins, which are important for keeping muscles strong and healthy. They are also rich in magnesium and potassium, essential minerals for muscle function and for preventing cramps and muscle fatigue. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle contraction and also helps muscles relax after exercise. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance in the body and contributes to the proper functioning of muscle cells. Nuts also contain antioxidants that fight free radicals in the body, helping to reduce muscle inflammation and speed up recovery from injuries. Eating a small portion of walnuts, almonds, or chestnuts daily can provide these benefits and help maintain muscle mass over the years. Another important point is that nuts are highly nutritious and provide a long-lasting feeling of satiety, which is excellent for those who want to avoid weight gain, since excess body fat can also contribute to muscle loss. Dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are true superfoods when it comes to maintaining muscle health. These vegetables are rich in vitamin K, an essential nutrient for bone health, as well as vitamin C, folate, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients help improve blood circulation, promoting the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and speeding up muscle recovery. Vitamin C, found in large amounts in broccoli, is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress in the body, which can damage muscles. Potassium, meanwhile, is crucial for proper muscle cell function and preventing cramps, especially in older adults who may be more prone to this type of discomfort. Studies also show that dark green vegetables help improve cardiovascular health, which is essential for proper muscle function, since a healthy heart means better oxygenation throughout the body. Now that you know the 5 essential foods to keep your legs firm and healthy, it's time to start making changes to your diet. By incorporating lean meat, eggs, dairy products, nuts, and green leafy vegetables into your diet, you will be taking important steps to preserve muscle health and prevent loss of strength in your legs. This will help you maintain your independence, prevent falls, and live a more active life, without limitations. Please note that this video is strictly educational and informative. It does not replace medical evaluation, diagnosis, or treatment. For personalized guidance, always consult your health professional. In addition to a balanced diet, physical exercise is also essential to keep your muscles strong. Consulting a nutritionist or doctor may be a good option to create a specific eating plan for your needs. Now, how about starting to implement these changes now? The future of your legs will thank you.